You know what's worse than being broke? Spending 6 hours on a survey site only to find out it doesn't work in your country. Or worse, you finally hit the withdrawal limit and boom, your account has been suspended. I have been there multiple times, lost count, honestly, so I did something a little crazy. I spent months testing every single survey site people talk about online. The popular ones, the easy ones, the ones your cousin friends swears change their life. Most of them complete waste of time. But a few of them actually legit. And there's one in particular I get to eat later that completely changed how I think about this whole thing. Today, I'm going to save you weeks of wasted time, and at the end, I show you a strategy that turns small earnings into something that can actually change your future. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, let me be honest with you. Survey sites will not make you rich. Anyone who tells you otherwise is lying to your face. I need you to hear that. But here is what they can do, and this is what nobody talks about. They can give you a small, consistent stipend, enough to buy a course, enough to pay for that tool you need, enough to invest in yourself when nobody else will. And that is the real game. See, most people use survey sites completely wrong. They treat it like a job. They grind for hours expecting life-changing results, then get frustrated and quit after 2 weeks. But the smart ones, they use it as a stepping stone, a way to fund their education, a way to get started when they have zero capital. That is exactly what I'm going to show you today. Here is what we are covering. First, the testing site that actually work. This pay more per task. Second, the survey size worth your time, and the one that surprised me most. Third, the exact strategy to turn small earnings into real skills that pay you back for years. Quick question before we continue: have you ever been scammed by a fake survey site? Drop a comment below. I want to know your experience. I read every single one. Now, if you are watching from Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, India, Ghana, Philippines, Indonesia, anywhere in Africa or Asia, pay close attention. I tested all of this specifically for countries that usually get ignored. If you're new here, hit subscribe. I put out content like this every week to help you build real skills and create opportunities for yourself. No fluff, no fake promises. Let's start with the testing sites. Testing site number 1, UserTesting.com. Alright, first up, UserTesting. What they do is simple. Companies need real people to test their websites and apps. You record your screen, speak your thoughts out loud, and give honest feedback. Each test takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, here is what I found after weeks of testing. The opportunities are not always available. You might check in the morning, nothing. Check at night, 3 tests are waiting. It's inconsistent. Pro tip: you need strong, stable internet. If your connection cuts at mid-test, you will get kicked out and waste your time completely. This works in Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, India, Ghana, Philippines. I verified every single one myself. Testing site number 2, TryMyUI. Similar concept to user testing. You test websites and apps, give your honest feedback through screen recording. But here is what makes TryMyUI different, and this matters if you are outside the US. They are more forgiving with accents. Some platforms reject testers because how they speak. TryMyUI seems more inclusive from my experience. Works in most African and Asia countries. Solid option. Testing site number 3, TesterWork. Now, this one is a bit different and honestly, it's underrated. TesterWork focuses on finding bugs in apps and websites. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need technical skills. You just use the app like a normal person and report anything that seems broken and weird. The cool thing: no fixed schedule. You can do it while waiting for a bus, during lunch break, whenever you have 10 minutes. Available in Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, India, Indonesia, Philippines. Testing site number 4, Fection. Fection lets you test websites and apps and give feedback. Straightforward process. You sign up, complete your profile, and wait for tests that match your demographics. Now, here is something important, and this applies to all of these sites. Most of them use paper for payouts. So before you start anything, before you waste a single minute, set up your paper account first. Don't wait until you are ready to withdraw and then scramble to figure it out. Do it today. If you need to set up paper in your country, I will be dropping another video on that soon. Stay tuned. Alright, those are the testing sites. Higher value per task, but fewer opportunities. Now, here is what I haven't told you yet. There is one survey site that completely changed how I think about this whole thing. It's not the most popular one. It's not the one anyone talks about. But for people in Africa and Asia specifically, it's different. I'll review which one in a moment. But first, let me explain why 90% of survey sites are completely garbage and show you the few that actually passed my test. Survey size number 1, Swagbucks. Let's start with the popular one, Swagbucks. I have to be honest with you, the earnings are small, really small. If you are in the US, UK, Canada, or some European countries, you get more survey opportunities. But if you are in Nigeria, India, or most of Africa, the surveys dry up fast. It's better for cashback shopping and watching videos than actual surveys if you are in Africa. Use it as a supplement, not your main focus. Don't waste hours here. That's my advice for you. Survey site number 2, Toluna influencers. Toluna has been around for years. It's a survey panel where you share your opinions and earn points. You can redeem points for paper cash or gift cards. Available in Nigeria, India, South Africa, Kenya, and many other countries. The surveys can be long sometimes, 15 to 20 minutes, but they are legitimate. They actually pay. Survey site number 3, SurveyTime.io. This one is interesting. They claim to pay instantly after each survey. From my testing, it's mostly true. You complete a survey and you get credited almost immediately. Each survey equals a small amount, nothing crazy, but adds up if you are consistent over weeks. Works globally, including all the countries I mentioned. Survey site number 4, Timebucks. Now, this is the one I was talking about. Timebucks is incredibly friendly for African countries. Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, all fully supported, not partially supported, not sometimes works, fully supported. You can do surveys, watch videos, engage with social media content, even watch TikTok videos for points. But here is what makes it different from everything else. They pay weekly, not monthly. Weekly. Do you understand how rare that is? Most sites make you wait 30 to 60, sometimes 90 days. Timebucks every single week. If you are in Africa and you only try one site from this entire video, make it Timebucks. I'm serious. I'm definitely serious. Now, everything I just shared, that is the foundation. But here is where most people mess up. And I mean most people, like 95% of people who watch videos like this. They do surveys, get a little something, and then spend it on a random stuff. Airtime, data that disappears scrolling Instagram, gone in 2 days. What I'm about to share next is the difference between people who stay stuck and people who actually build something. Let me tell you about someone I know. 2 years ago, he was in Lagos, Nigeria. No job, no money for courses, just a phone with a cracked screen and unstable internet. He found Timebucks through a video just like this one. Started doing 30 minutes a day. Nothing crazy, just consistent. After 3 months, he had saved enough to buy a video editing course on Udemy. Cost him about $15 during a sale. He practiced for 4 months, faked a lot, got rejected by clients, kept going anyway. Today, he edits for 4 different YouTubers, makes more in 1 week than he used to see in 2 months. He's currently editing this video you are watching now. Took him 8 months total, not overnight, not easy, but he started with literally nothing. That could be you, but only if you think long time. Here is the mindset shift. A few weeks of consistent surveys could fund a Canva Pro subscription. Now you can learn graphic design. A month of testing insights could pay for a Udemy course on video editing, freelancing, or web development. Stack it up for 2 to 3 months. You could afford tools to start offering services online. The sites are not the destination, they are the vehicle. You are not trying to get rich from surveys. You are trying to fund your education when you have no other option. Imagine the feeling when you finally buy that course with the money you earned. When you realize you are not stuck anymore. When you take control because nobody else was going to help you. That is what this is really about. Before I wrap up, here are 7 quick tips to maximize your results. Tip number 1, set up paper first today before you do anything else. Tip number 2, use a laptop or desktop if you can. Bigger screen, faster completion, fewer errors. Tip number 3, strong internet is non-negotiable, especially for testing sites. Weak connection equals wasted time. Tip number 4, be early. Some testing sites only need 5 to 10 people per test. When you get that email notification, act fast or miss out. Tip number 5, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Use 2 to 3 sites together. Diversify your sources. Tip number 6, be honest in your responses. These platforms track consistency. Fake answers get you banned permanently. Tip number 7, set a time limit. Don't spend 5 hours a day on this. 1 hour, focused, then move on to building your actual skills. That is the real goal. Look, I'm not going to lie to you like everyone else does. Survey sites won't make you rich. They won't change your life overnight. But here is what I know for sure. When you have nothing, something is everything. And if you're smart about it, if you think like an investor instead of a consumer, that something becomes the seed for skills that actually matter. The question is, will you plant it or will you scroll to the next video and forget everything I just said? Your move. I have linked every single site I mentioned in the description below. Just click, sign up, and get started today. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It tells me you want more content like this, and I keep making it. Subscribe if you haven't already. I drop videos every week on building real skills and creating opportunities. No fluff, no fake promises, and drop a comment. Tell me which sites you are trying first or what skills you are saving up to learn. I read every single comment and I reply. Now you know which sites actually work. But here is the real question. What skills should you actually invest in? I make the complete video breakdown, the 5 skills that are actually in demand in 2026 and which ones you can learn for free starting today. That video is on screen right now. Click it and I see you there. What's going to be? Don't thank me and you welcome.